Neville Goddard is regarded as one of the most influential teachers on manifestation and the law of assumption, which proposes that we can attract anything we desire by assuming that it already exists in our reality. Neville has proposed numerous techniques to his students for manifesting wealth, including the popular ladder and state method and the akin to the sleep method. However, what many people do not know is that Neville Goddard had a secret money manifesting technique that he advocated, which most people are not aware of, even those who study his works frequently. So let's uncover this secret in today's video. This technique, called the odor of money, taps into the most powerful parts of our subconscious mind, allowing us to attract wealth and abundance faster than merely reciting affirmations. Neville Goddard frequently mentioned this technique in his lectures and books, and it is a technique that can help us manifest wealth more quickly and easily. So what exactly is the odor of money technique? It is a simple but powerful technique that involves tapping into the smell of money in our minds. According to Neville Goddard, simply imagining the smell of money can accelerate the manifestation of financial abundance. By adding the sense of smell to our visualization of money, we can more easily tap into the feeling of already having it, which can help us manifest it more quickly and effectively. But why is it so important to use the sense of smell to manifest wealth? We have 5 senses that allow us to become aware of the existence of something, even if it is invisible. Smelling the odor of money can anchor the idea of wealth in our minds and create a sense of abundance from deep within, making it easier to manifest financial abundance. By focusing on the scent and the feeling of abundance it evokes, we can use our sense of smell to more easily tap into the feeling of already having wealth and abundance. To start using the odor of money technique, begin by taking the time to smell the odor of money frequently. You can do this by imagining the scent of money in your mind, or by using essential oils or other scents that remind you of wealth and abundance. Focus your attention on the scent and the feeling of abundance it evokes, and practice doing this regularly until it becomes an anchor that you can easily tap into. It is important to remember that our 5 senses, touch, taste, hearing, sight, and smell, allow us to perceive and interact with the world around us. By using our sense of smell to tap into the feeling of already having wealth and abundance, we can create a more powerful and effective manifestation technique that can help us attract the financial abundance we desire. Impairment or absence of one of these senses can lead to difficulties in identifying certain scents or objects. For instance, a person who is blind may have difficulty identifying the existence or appearance of particular objects. Our senses are vital in enabling us to perceive and comprehend the world around us. This heightened awareness is also crucial when it comes to manifesting our desires through the power of imagination or visualization. To effectively visualize something, we need to have a clear and detailed understanding of its appearance, size, color, sound, and smell. Without this information, our mental images may be incomplete, causing us to fail to fully tap into the sensation of actually having our desires. For example, if we want to manifest money using Neville Goddard's law of assumption technique, we must have a crystal clear idea of what money smells, looks, and feels like. By frequently smelling or handling money, we can imprint a clear and vivid image of it in our subconscious mind. When we visualize our desires, we can do so more effectively and even experience the odor and texture in our minds. When all of our senses are engaged in visualizations, we can imagine them more vividly and feel them more authentically, to the point that our mind is fully convinced that we have financial abundance at that very moment. Consider the example of manifesting a new home through visualization. To do so effectively, we must have a clear picture of what we want our dream home to look like, how many rooms it has, what colors it has, and where it is located. Not only that, but we also need to have an idea of how this home makes us feel. Does it make us feel free? Does it make us feel safe? By visualizing these details and tapping into the emotions of freedom and safety, we can manifest our dream home more quickly and easily. Similarly, when manifesting money, we must have a clear picture of what we want to attract. This includes not only the amount of money that we desire, but also the appearance and texture of the currency notes themselves. Having clarity is what allows us to tap into the feeling of having it, and this feeling of having it is what allows us to manifest it effortlessly. It is essential to note that the real purpose behind all of these sensations and using our senses is to tap into the feeling of already having it. Using the sense of smell is merely a tool for digging deeper and feeling that we already have money. Money has a distinct and recognizable odor that many people are familiar with. There's no difference in smell between a $1 bill and a $100 bill. If someone were to close their eyes and a piece of money were placed under their nose, they would immediately know what it is. This is because money has a unique scent that is distinguishable from other smells, and even scientists agree with this fact. Research has shown that humans can distinguish between up to 10,000 different odors, and our sense of smell is more powerful than we realize. The odor of money is largely affected by what it comes into contact with, such as dirt, sweat, and other substances. However, even with these external factors, money maintains its distinct scent. This unique odor can help improve your visualization and manifestation techniques when it comes to attracting money into your life. To effectively manifest money, you need to involve as many of your senses as possible. This means not only seeing money, but also feeling its texture and especially smelling it. This in and of itself is going to help you create a vivid picture and sensation of already having that money. The more senses you can involve, the more real it's going to become, and the more easily you will convince your subconscious mind that this is real. You might be thinking, what does money smell like? Dollar bills are made of cotton and linen, and different denominations use different types of ink. However, the smell of money is not solely determined by these factors. Rather, it is a combination of various scents that creates the distinct odor we associate with money. When you smell money, it can help you focus your thoughts and emotions on attracting wealth because you are tapping into the sense of already possessing money. Your sense of smell is closely connected with your emotions, which is why certain smells can trigger positive or negative feelings. When you smell the odor of money, it can trigger positive emotions and feelings of abundance, making it easier to manifest wealth. To harness the power of money's odor, you need to engage as many of your senses as possible. When imagining money, don't just see it. Tap into the texture of it. What does it feel like? What does it smell like? How does it sound? Take a dollar bill in your hand and examine it closely. Notice its texture, size, and appearance. Pay attention to the sound it makes when you move it. Is it new, crisp, or flimsy? This sensory experience can help you manifest money because you're creating a deeper connection with the feeling of already having it. When you're ready to smell the odor of money, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Take a deep breath and inhale the scent of money, focusing your attention on the feeling of abundance it evokes. Hold the dollar bills close to your nose, moving them back and forth to intensify the scent. By engaging your sense of smell, you can tap into the power of money's odor and attract wealth into your life. Take a deep breath and inhale the scent of money, allowing it to fill your lungs. As you do so, visualize your desires with clarity and focus, imagining yourself surrounded by abundance and prosperity. Feel the joy and freedom that come with financial security. Let these positive emotions fill your mind and body, and focus on these goals and dreams. This will help bring financial abundance into your life quickly. This technique of inhaling the scent of money and focusing on the emotions and feelings associated with financial abundance is one of Neville Goddard's secret techniques for manifestation. It is a technique that not many people are aware of, but it is one of the most effective ways to manifest money quickly. Neville believed that the key to manifesting one's desires was to use the power of the imagination. He taught that we create our reality through our thoughts and beliefs, and that by changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can manifest anything we desire. As we know, one of Neville Goddard's most powerful techniques for manifestation was to use the senses to create a vivid sensory experience of the desired outcome. He believed that the more senses we can involve in the manifestation process, the more real it will become and the more easily we can convince our subconscious mind that it is true. In the case of manifesting money, using the sense of smell is an incredibly powerful way to create a sensory experience of abundance. As we inhale the scent of money, we activate the emotional and sensory centers of our brain, which helps to create a deep and lasting impression of abundance. By focusing on the emotions and feelings associated with financial abundance while inhaling the scent of money, we create a powerful vibration that attracts more abundance into our lives. This is because our thoughts and emotions create a magnetic field that attracts like energy to us. When we focus on positive emotions and feelings, we attract more of the same into our lives. Moreover, the scent of money has a powerful association with wealth and success, and inhaling it can help reprogram our subconscious mind to associate wealth with positive emotions and feelings. This can help to remove any limiting beliefs or negative associations we may have with money and help us to attract more of it into our lives. In addition to inhaling the scent of money, it is also important to engage as many senses as possible when visualizing abundance. This means not only seeing money but also feeling its texture, hearing the sound it makes, and even tasting it in some cases. The more senses we can involve in the manifestation process, the more real and tangible it will become, and the more easily we can convince our subconscious mind that it is true. To sum up, using the sense of smell to manifest money is one of Neville Goddard's most powerful techniques for manifestation. It is a technique that not many people are aware of, but it is incredibly effective at creating a deep and lasting impression of abundance. By inhaling the scent of money and focusing on the emotions and feelings associated with financial abundance, we create a powerful vibration that attracts more abundance into our lives. So if you want to manifest more money in your life, try using the power of smell and see how it can help you create the life you truly desire.